Hello. This video is to show you how you can log into your Bookshare account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to bookshare.org, and once you type that in, you'll get to a screen that looks like this. Then you're going to hit login, and you're going to enter in your login information, which should be on that sheet that you received. So we're just going to log in right now. And once you are signed in, your name will show up here, and this is where all your reading lists will be. The first time you do it, nothing may show up down here, but you will notice right here where it says assigned books. See how it has a 1 right there? I just click on my assigned books, and bingo, the books that have been assigned to me are right here. So I have not started this, but as soon as I start this and hit read now, it will start the book up and it will start reading the book to you. You can stop it at any point and come back to it, and then there will be a different button that says you can restart the book. So that is how you get into Bookshare. If you have any questions, contact your teacher. Thanks.